Which e-bike conversion kit is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the real answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options so you can find what really works for your ride.
Product number 1, XCH Robots Repair Kit. Let's kick things off with the XCH Robots Bicycle Repair Bag with Tire Pump, priced at just $24.89. What caught my attention is that it's an all-in-one solution for bike emergencies. If you want peace of mind while riding, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a mini bicycle pump, glueless potches, and a 16-in-1 multi-tool. So if you get a flat, you can potch it up quickly without needing any extra supplies. The mini pump can handle up to 120 psi, which means you can inflate your tires with ease. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the right tools means you won't be stranded in the middle of nowhere with a flat. Now, some people complained about the durability of the patches. Here's the thing though, while they might not last forever, they can get you back on the road quickly until you can fix it properly. This is perfect for casual riders or anyone who wants a handy kit for emergencies, but skip this if you're looking for something professional grade. Now, if the concern about durability bothered you, the next product might be a better fit for long-term reliability.
Product number 2, Watney Military Tactical Backpack. The Watney Military Tactical Backpack, which stands out with its rugged design and an unbeatable price of $29.99. If you need something durable and compact for outdoor adventures, this is definitely worth considering. This tactical backpack measures 18.5 by 11.5 by 7.5 inches, offering a capacity of 25 liters. It's made from 900D high-density fabric, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The MOLLE system allows you to attach additional gear, which is super handy for hikes or camping trips. Here's why this matters for you. With its multiple compartments, you can stay organized without slowing down, making it easier to grab what you need on the go. This product has already sold over 1,000 units this month, showing its popularity among outdoor enthusiasts. Now, some users mentioned that the size may be too small for extensive gear. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact for day trips or short hikes, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a sturdy bag without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a large capacity for long trips. For $29.99, you're getting great value for a tactical backpack. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tech users.
Product number 3, Generic Torque Arm Kit. We've got the 2 sets Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit, priced at just $12.99. Honestly, what caught my attention is its durability and how it prevents motor issues. If you want long-term stability for your e-bike, this is worth a serious look. This kit helps keep the motor secure, preventing it from loosening during use. It fits regular motor shafts up to 14 millimeters, and the stainless steel construction means it won't rust over time. Here's why this matters. Ensuring your motor stays in place means you can focus on the ride without worrying about malfunction. Now, some people reported that installation can be tricky if you're not familiar with e-bike setups. I get it, that can be frustrating. But once you get the hang of it, it's a straightforward process. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking to upgrade their e-bike setup, but skip this if you prefer ready-to-go solutions. Now, if installation concerns are holding you back, the next product offers a more user-friendly option.
Product number 4, ULifeBet e-bike cable. The next product is the 9-pin e-bike motor extension cable from ULifeBet, priced at $9.99. This genuinely surprised me with its waterproof design and flexibility. If you want to ensure your electrical connections are secure and reliable, this is worth a serious look. This extension cable is compatible with various e-bikes and scooters, and its waterproof feature means it can withstand wet conditions. With a length of 1.5 meters, it's long enough to fit most setups. Here's why this matters. A reliable connection is crucial for maintaining the performance of your e-bike, especially in variable weather. Now, some users mentioned that cable length could be a drawback for larger setups. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for standard installations, it should be more than sufficient. This is perfect for anyone needing to extend their wiring, but skip this if you have a unique or custom setup. All right, that was a handy option, but the next product can be a great backup or alternative solution.
Product number 5, Universal Torque Arm. We have another Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit, priced at $11.88. I like this one because it's simple to install and very sturdy. If you want a reliable way to secure your motor, this is worth a serious look. This kit helps prevent your motor from becoming loose, which is essential for safety and performance. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan. Here's why this matters for you. A secure motor means less maintenance and a smoother ride, especially on tough terrains. Now, some folks have pointed out that the instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, that can be a hassle, but once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for anyone looking to secure their e-bike motor, but skip this if you want a fully assembled product. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison of all 5 options.
So to quickly recap, we started with the XCH Robots Repair Kit for emergencies, then looked at the Tobo Wolf Brake Kit for performance, followed by the generic torque arm for stability, the U-Life-Bet cable for flexibility, and finally another torque arm for strength. Each of these products serves a unique purpose, so think about what you need most in your e-bike journey.